My name is Keeley McCleary, and I was hired to design this model home in a contemporary modern style. This space is approximately 3,700 square feet, and it's divided amongst 3 floors. The general aesthetic for this home is very modern and contemporary in that it mixes a lot of different styles, a lot of deco touches. Most of the furniture is very clean lined. It's not over decorated. It's modern, livable, and warm. As you enter, it's a really long, narrow hallway, so I decided to clad the entire wall in a honed limestone. So the sight line when you walk in, it doesn't seem cavernous, it seems open. The hallway brings you right into the dining room, which is pretty much the center of the home on the main floor, but it doesn't seem to cut any of the rooms off. It sort of unites everything together, and we accomplished this using a round central table that you can easily walk all the way around, and then it is also played up by millwork. This is used as a place to showcase accessories, books, and some of the family heirlooms. Right off the dining room, we do have the kitchen. I kept the paint as well as the drapery light in a natural linen. I wanted to use something warm, not like just another white kitchen, although I do love that. So we've used a simple walnut shaker cabinet front on everything. Walnut can be a little heavy, a little dark at times, but all the finishes surrounding are very bright, and we have really good ceiling height here, so this all works together to make it feel larger than it is. So throughout this house, actually, I've used a lot of terrazzo because I love it. I've used it here in the detail of the bistro table. Also, the Caesar stone countertops are a terrazzo of sorts. The penny tile brings a bit of playfulness to the kitchen while keeping still tonal with the taupe, and it plays up all of the natural colors and materials throughout the house. The living area is a large room, but I've decided to separate it into 2 areas to make it more intimate. This space is primarily used for parties and entertaining, so it's divided into smaller sections for conversations. I've really played up on texture and tones in here. We have a mixing of metals. I've got some brushed brass on the sconces, as well as a mirrored chrome coffee table. We've also got some hammered bronze in some side tables, and actually the art piece in the corner is a powder-coated steel as well. The bar, it's an entertainer's dream. One complete wall is like a massive wine storage. And then on the other side, we have a striking steel structure for more display. And we've added cabinetry underneath to maximize storage. I've mixed a lot of vintage lines with more modern pieces. It makes it look a lot more lived in. It gives a layered, rich, really personal style. I love decorating powder rooms because you can really go wild in a powder room. There is a window which allows for some natural light, but overall it's a bit dark. So we've actually played that up. I've used a dark blue wallpaper with a silver accent. I've also used a large circular mirror over the vanity, which also helps to bounce the light around. The master is definitely the primary retreat for the home. The space is quite generous, so I was allowed to do a more heavy, larger footprint of a bed. I wanted to put minimal, simple molding, just add a little more elegance or to bring things up a notch, but not overdo it. The master ensuite actually is one of my favorite rooms in the home. I've used, again, the honed limestone on the floor. It's elegant, warm, but again, understated. I share a bathroom with my 2 children and husband, and if I had my own dedicated vanity, I would love that. We've created a his and hers vanity, which makes the space seem a lot more personal. This bedroom is a little more boho. The room was designed for the youngest daughter who marches to the beat of her own drum. Grass cloth is an instant way to add texture and warmth to a room. This one's a vinyl grass cloth, so it's an affordable way actually to use grass cloth. The second bedroom, it definitely has a more playful vibe to it. The thing I love the most in this room is the lucite shelving above the headboard, and we've played this up with fun little plush toys. Also, the colors in this room are a lot more playful and vibrant than throughout the house. The shared bathroom has a black terrazzo on the floor. I think it plays really well with the black fixtures, and it gives a modern, playful vibe. The third floor retreat is very welcoming. The light is great because you have windows on both sides, as well as a walkout to a patio. It's a multifunctional room. You've got a lounge area, but you also have a wet bar and a built-in desk. Because the main floor was predominantly for entertaining and parties, the family just hangs out upstairs. That's where everyone gets together and can just let loose. I love designing show homes. It gives me an opportunity to really explore and do things that I would like to try out, try new trends and play with new materials, or in a way that I haven't before, mixing things and put everything that I love into one space.